Hi, I'm Krystal Boothe, and if you are a high-achieving woman, a healthcare professional, or someone who gives so much to others that you're left running on empty, that then you're in the right place, you guys. You are in the right place. Okay, so welcome to Trauma Talk. This channel is for you. If you've ever thought, why am I so burnt out? When am I supposed to be, strong? Okay, when am I supposed to be strong? Or how do I heal without losing myself? Okay, sometimes this gets a little bit confusing. I know what it's like to push through this exhaustion, to carry everyone else's pain and lose sight of who you are and what your needs are. My background as a trauma therapist and trauma recovery coach, as well as my own personal experience in healing and recovery, have taught me something really, really powerful, you guys. Really powerful. That burnout, guess what? And emotional overwhelm, they are not signs of weakness. They're signals from your nervous system that you're stuck in survival mode. Yes, and that's why I created this channel. Okay, Trauma Talks series is where we discuss all things relationship. Yes, all things relationship, all things burnout, okay? All things codependency, attachment wounds, toxic cycles, and how to rebuild real connection. We also talk about workplace trauma and where you'll learn how to rewire your stress responses. Yes, how to heal relationship trauma and codependency patterns. Yes, how to get rid of burnout and build resilience so that this doesn't cost you your health or your relationships, and how to create a life and career that you don't need to escape. This isn't about quick fixes or toxic positivity. It's about deep and lasting change. I post new videos, you guys, every week, including Trauma Talks episodes where we dive into patterns that, keep relationships stuck and in particular different types of loops, and the tools that are going to help set you free. Yes. So if you're ready to step out of the survival mode and into a life of peace and purpose, okay, and power, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Yes, turn on your notification bell. Okay, so this is Krystal with Trauma Talks. Okay, I want to make sure that you never miss an episode. And, we'll walk this journey together step by step. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.